All right, friends, welcome back to a fresh vlog this morning. So I'm at Dhruvatare, which is on the Bangalore highway. An amazing breakfast ride we had this morning. So I am going to today talk about a special accessory what my friend Pradeep has got on his bike. So this is about the crash guard from Zana. A lot of you have been asking questions about what is the best aftermarket crash guard I can buy, right? So yes, we have looked at many different crash guards what have come in the market and what different people have been installing on their bikes. So yes, I did see this particular crash guard. It's really built to purpose, and it also has these sliders which also act as highway foot pegs, right? So when you're riding on the highway, when you're cruising, you can just keep your legs on this and just keep going on and on. So as you can see, guys, this crash guard is mounted at 3 points. One is here, then one is at this frame, and one is right here. And similarly on the other side, exactly the same way it's mounted on the other side as well. So yeah, I think this also has an option to fix a fog lamp. Pradeep, is this for the fog lamp?
This is actually for the horn.
On?
This is for the
Okay.
horn.
So there is an
They
option.
have given two. So for people who have dual screw,
Yeah.
it comes with dual horn. So actually the horn goes here, but once you put this, it's going to go in that space.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to take the horn and put it here.
Wow.
Which is
That.
actually what they've done on the other side.
Yeah. So that's very thoughtful of Zana in terms of designing this. As you guys can see,
yeah, this
the
is what they've
Pradeep's
done.
horn has moved on to this particular point.
Because with the stock Honda, what tends to happen is the horn actually sits somewhere over here, and the Honda crash guard actually goes like this and then again comes back like this to accommodate the horn.
Correct.
Whereas on this, they have actually given this clamp just for the horn.
Yeah, sounds good. So yes, guys, I really when I sat on this bike and I was riding it a while back, I really felt it was quite compact as well, and this is something will provide a complete 360 degree protection for your bike, right? So if you want to see, I'm not going to put this bike on the floor and show you all of that. We are not here to do all those things,
Zana website.
but if you want to see that, you can go on to the Zana website. They have completely demoed the bike in a toppled condition, and totally this particular crash guard is protecting the bike completely. Your tank, your side covers, your each and every aspect of the bike is totally protected. So that's little bit on this particular crash guard. So let's see Pradeep sit on the bike and show us how
Just come from there.
how this bike feels.
Very comfortable actually to rest your legs
Yeah,
on long highway rides because
Yep.
you're sitting in this condition.
Yeah.
So this is how I normally like to sit. So I like to sit like this and ride on the highway like this. I'll just come from there, you'll get an idea.
sure. So yeah, guys, let's see how it looks. So there he is. So yes, when you are cruising on the highway on the long winding roads, it really is good if you can get a good resting position for your feet, right? Yeah.
So it's very easy to shift your leg from here to here. With a bit of practice, just on one ride, you can easily get it. So you can just shift it here, you can just keep it here and ride just to stretch your legs to get a bit of blood flow on long rides.
Yeah. So Pradeep, how much did this crash guard cost you?
I think this was around usually very bad at remembering prices.
Was it somewhere around 3,000 rupees?
I think it was 2,500, but we can check that and give a link in the video.
Yeah, sure. So we will definitely leave a link for you guys.
I actually ordered it directly on the Zana website. They sent it home and then I took it to Honda Big Wing on Mysore Road and they fixed it. But if you're in Bangalore, you can even go to Bike and Biker. I think they have stocks of these. So if you go to Bike and Biker, there is a garage just below Bike and Biker called Gear Care. They will actually fit it for you. So if you want to physically pick it up, you can just go there, call them beforehand. They'll let you know if they have stocks. Otherwise, you can order on the Zana website. They send it home very nicely packed. So typical of Zana. And I think the other thing worth mentioning is, I think this has a rust warranty for about 6 months or 1 year. I'm not sure which. So that's also another nice thing. So it shows that Zana really stands behind its products. Quite a reputed company, and I have dealt with Mr. Vibhas, who's the owner of Zana, a couple of times. Very nice gentleman, answers very quickly. So actually, just another thing I want to mention. I have seen a couple of cases where people with the DLX Pro, which has the bigger horn, the indicator, when you try to lock it, especially on that side, it actually interferes with the horn because it just comes somewhere over here. So I have seen a couple of cases where the horn, once you mount it here on this side, it tends to somehow touch this indicator. I actually took it up with Mr. Vibhas itself. So he told me that that might be a one-off defect in that particular crash guard, but it's usually, that's not the expected behavior. So that's another thing worth mentioning.
Yeah, good. So Pradeep, compared to the stock crash guard, what is your take on this one versus the stock one, or any other crash guard what is available in the market for the bike?
See, to be honest, I've seen quite a few crash guards made by all these small timers whose quality and longevity I can't really comment on, because they're all these small timers. They have not been in the market for any respectable length of time really.
Yeah.
So Zana has been there for ages, quite a well branded product. They ship internationally as well. The only other comparable with this is the stock crash guard, which also I had before. I feel this is definitely more protective because of these sliders. And like Vinay said earlier, you can go and see the drop picture on the Zana website, and I think on their Facebook page they actually do a live drop on video. He actually just drops the bike like this and you can actually see it falling, and how well these sliders are able to absorb. I think design wise also I like this, because I really like the way this 3-point mount sets. I like this vertical thing which they've given here, on which I'm planning to put a water bottle holder shortly. And overall I think it's very nicely done. That's my opinion.
Definitely.
I've used Zana crash guards before, so I know their quality quite well done.
Definitely guys, agree to that point. Definitely a quality product from Zana. So if you are looking for a crash guard which is going to give you a full round protection, definitely consider this particular product, and do look up on the Zana website, and you will also find the pictures of the drop test and also a video on their Facebook page. So let's see it from the front in terms of the look, right? So it's not too huge, it's not too bothering as well, and pretty much does the job also, right? So that's very, very important. It's not about having a huge crash guard and which will not do anything for you. So this is really neat and good stuff. So do let us know if you have any questions here. We will leave the links in the description section. Do take a look at it and let us know. Thank you.